Scottiglia di cinghiale, or the stew of wild boar, it is one of the most wonderful dishes to share in a family because it's a very social affair. So you're starting cooking carrots and celery. Would you like to help me?
Yeah, of course.
Fantastic, Gennaro. It's a little bit of work, but it is fantastic because it gives incredible results. Gennaro, don't chop my hands.
I'm far away from you.
And naturally, when you cook for a big family or big group of people, it is very usual that everybody participate. Don't start to be the very chef that does like this. I don't like it. Slowly.
Ah, you have to cut the onions. I cut it my own way.
No, you don't. You want to show off.
Yeah, I wanted to show off.
Then we also put the oil on.
Tell me when.
Go on, go on, go on.
Where do I have to go?
Go on. It's enough. 1 teaspoon of peppercorns and 1 tablespoon of juniper berries. And I will start to chop the meat. We have here rabbit and sausage, pork sausage, wild boar and pork. You have about 200 grams of meat per person. I like this mixture of everything. If you have got no wild boar, you could just use pork and chicken and rabbit.
Oh, it's a bit of fat in it. It will
Lovely,
melt
lovely.
right through. What a dish. Shall we start to put them inside,
Oh,
Antonio?
yes, yes, yes. That looks fantastic. And put some red wine in it.
Let me just get the lovely color. Just a little bit of color, Antonio, yeah?
Just a little bit, yes. So 200 ml of red wine will give the lovely, lovely flavor. We put a little bit of rosemary, a little bit of sage, and bay leaves. And now it comes the Italian thing, which is polpa di pomodoro, so tomato pulp.
How much is it?
This is 1.5 kilos altogether. Can you stir it, please? You notice that I didn't put any salt or pepper, yes?
Not yet. I'm waiting for you.
It comes later, otherwise it makes the meat tough. Here's the nutmeg. Gennaro, you have wonderful fingers. Don't grate your finger on it.
How much? Half? Quarter?
Half. I love it. So now you put the whole tin of tomato paste because I would like the sauce to be very concentrated of tomato.
Okay, so that's turning down. Shall I cover it now?
Cover it.
So that means I have to stay about 1 hour and a half.
But that's what you are trained to be done. Bye-bye, Gennaro. Look at here. Wonderful chair. Gennaro, that's life. Somebody's working and somebody's resting. Gennaro, from time to time, can you look at the meat, please?
Little baby.
What is it?
Come on. Did you was sleeping?
I had a wonderful snooze.
Well,
Gennaro, would you be so kind to move, please?
That is the
Thank
way I
you.
like it. I wanted to see now the way
Thank
you make
you.
a polenta.
So, polenta, we have here 3 liters of water. And the polenta is the flour of maize. This is a 5-minute polenta.
Yeah.
They're very delicious because it goes perfectly with the stew here. Now I can already put the butter, which are 100 grams.
They put them all in.
There. Wonderful.
How much cheese?
250 grams of that. This is the taleggio that I use this time. It's a wonderful cheese, very creamy. Could be done with fontina as well. Can you grate also about 100 grams of parmesan, Gennaro?
Yeah.
Stir it, stir it.
Let me just remove all this from here.
Wonderful. Look at this. This is just like a cream. What you do now, you put just in the middle here.
Yeah. Antonio, hurry up. You work it that way?
Cut a little channel, eh? And the best thing is to share it. This is a small version, But their version, that they are big as a table, with a lot of polenta, lots of stew. Just fantastic.
Nice for the lovely big family. Mm-hmm. It's fantastic. Cheers, Antonio.